Here at LearnSci, we know that university science departments strive to equip students with the skills for success. But evolving demands, diverse student needs, and an unsustainable amount of marking can add roadblocks to making engaging, effective, and consistent learning experiences for students. That's where the Smart Worksheet Library comes in, a powerful toolkit to overcome these challenges and create the dynamic learning environment your students deserve. This expertly curated selection of digital worksheets was designed specifically for science courses to support quantitative and analytical skill development. The flexible nature of the Smart Worksheet Library enables you to support students at different stages of their academic journey, enhancing experiences in workshops, labs, assessments, and for individual practice. Designed to boost student confidence in scientific numeracy and data analysis, the unique features of Smart Worksheets increase learning efficiency and enhance student satisfaction, offering unlimited opportunities to develop skills in data and inquiry-driven scenarios, all while reducing your marking load and supporting you to deliver flexible teaching strategies. The library has been constructed for flexibility and adaptability and fits into a diverse range of teaching and learning environments. But it can also be customized by our expert team to fit your exact needs. With its focus on quality, consistency, and student-centered learning, the Smart Worksheet Library will elevate the way skills are developed in your course and across your department. Get in touch with our sales team today to explore the library and book a free personalized demo.